Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss kinetic energy of a free moving rigid body in general plane motion. Let's take a look at the given figure of a free moving rigid body in general plane motion having angular velocity omega perpendicular to the plane of motion, and let velocity of center of mass is vcm vector. Let component of position vector with respect to center of mass of ith particle perpendicular to center of mass axis is ri vector. Then velocity of ith particle with respect to center of mass axis or with respect to center of mass, both are same, is vi vector is equal to omega vector cross ri vector, which have the magnitude omega into ri. Therefore, velocity of ith particle with respect to point O will be equal to velocity of center of mass or velocity of center of mass axis plus velocity of ith particle with respect to center of mass axis. Now, kinetic energy of ith particle is equal to half mi into vi O square, that will be equal to half mi vcm vector plus vi vector dot vcm vector plus vi vector. Therefore, total kinetic energy will be sigma of kinetic energy of ith particle, that will be equal to half sigma mi vcm square plus sigma half mi vi square plus 2 vcm vector dot sigma mi into vi vector. Here last term in this expression is 0, therefore total kinetic energy will comes out to be half m vcm square plus sigma half mi ri square into omega square, that is half m vcm square plus half icm omega square. Therefore, total kinetic energy in general plane motion of the rigid body is equal to translational kinetic energy of center of mass plus pure rotational kinetic energy about center of mass axis. Let's see some examples related to above findings. In this example, a rod of mass m and length L is moving on a horizontal platform. Velocity of its center of mass is v and angular velocity of the rod is omega. Therefore, total kinetic energy is equal to translational kinetic energy of its center of mass and pure rotational kinetic energy about center of mass axis, that will be half mv square plus half icm omega square. Let's see another example. A uniform solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rolling. Velocity of its center of mass is v and angular velocity is omega. Therefore, total kinetic energy is equal to translational kinetic energy of center of mass plus rotational kinetic energy about center of mass axis, that is half mv square plus half icm into omega square. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.